What's up, guys? Welcome back to the High PSI channel. Today we got another Borla Atak exhaust for you. It's going to be on this Camaro. Customer brought in the exhaust, but once again, another Borla Atak. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing up in the air. Sorry I didn't get a before sound for you, but got to get rolling today. So we're gonna get it up in the air and get to taking this exhaust down. As you can see, guys, we got the old exhaust system down. Check it out. Got the new Borla Atak system on. The system's fairly straightforward. A little bit of cutting. Got to swap over all your exhaust valve, solenoids and stuff. But looks good. Quad tip is dope. We'll get this thing down off the rack and show you guys what it sounds like. Guys, customers taking the Camaro home. New Borla Atak exhaust. Sounds good. Sounds good. I like it. That's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Whoa, big face. That's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little Borla Atak install on that 17 Camaro SS. Like, share, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.